Welcome to episode 8 of Coding Corner's Python Beginner course. Today we'll be covering comparison operators. Okay, here the first comparison operator we're going to learn about is the equals to operator. So first let's assign a value to x. So x equals to 5. Then print x, and we write two equals for comparison operators, and then this will output a Boolean value. Okay, and there are also other symbols. So we have x equals 5. We could also say print x not equal. The not equal is characterized by the exclamation point and the equal sign, and say not equal to 5. And this will output a false value. We also have greater than and less than symbols. Print x greater than, say, 4. Print x less than 4. Okay. We could also use print x greater than or equal to 4 and print x less than or equal to 4. Okay, now if we run this program, we'll get true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and subscribe.